Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about how to use interrogative words in English in meaningful questions. Okay, for example, where is he, where is he, who, who is that, who is that, when is the train there, when is the train there, how do you study, how do you study, at what time, at what time are you there? At what time are you there? Which which book did you study? Which book did you study? Where from? Where from do you come? Where from does she come? Where from do they come? To whom? To whom do you give the book? To whom do you give the book? To whom do they give food? Whom? Whom do they invite for the function? Whom do they invite for the function? With whom? With whom did you go? With whom did you go? With whom did you come? Towards which place? Towards which place did you go yesterday? Towards which place did you go yesterday? Thank you. Bye.